Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing, well, a whole slew of different countries' travel issues. And I thought of making this video after reading a great article in the Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com. A lot of information in there. Urge those watching this video, go check out that article. Article is titled, Thailand's quote-unquote revenge tourism boom reflected in Cambodia too. And they go into a pretty good analysis, kind of a comparative analysis of Thai and Chinese, Indian, Lao, Vietnamese travel, kind of issues, peccadillos, if you will. Quoting directly, visa exemptions and visas on arrival have been time extended, while single-day visa run hops to the Cambodian border are again possible for many. So we're talking about Thailand there. Visa exemptions are back, visas on arrival back. They've been extended. We're out to 45 days on the visa exempt. We're out to 30 days on the VOA or the visa on arrival. Meanwhile, it's much more possible, much more feasible to do a border run to Cambodia than it has been in like almost 3 years, going on 3 years now. Quoting further, health checks at airports and border posts are a thing of the past. Yeah, another great development here in Thailand. Basically back to status quo ante, and I couldn't be happier about that. Quoting further, Chinese zero-sum tourists, still hamstrung by Beijing's COVID restrictions, may be missing, but have been compensated by increasing numbers from India. More than 60 Indian restaurants are currently operating in Pattaya alone. So interesting development there. Where the Chinese are kind of missing, they've kind of had the gap filled by the Indian tourists. Quoting further, Vietnam no longer requires test results, but public health measures such as mask wearing are still in force in some provinces. Quoting further, Laos is in a similar position but has recently renewed flight connections with Thailand and Cambodia to facilitate tourist entry to Wen Chuen. And Cambodia, it's my understanding, as noted in the title of the article quoted, Cambodia is somewhat reflective of the Thai turnaround here. They're kind of trying to go for a more open policy. Again, like Bill Clinton said, I believe, it's the economy, stupid. We need, the economy, we knocked out 20% of GDP as discussed back in January of this year. 20% of GDP just decimated. I guess it was 18% was what we quoted at the time. Decimated down to 1.8% of GDP. Like, that's just staggering. And we need to get it back. We need to restore the tourism sector so we can see some of that GDP restored, I think, here in Thailand. I think that'd be a very good thing. So interesting developments, a lot going on here in Southeast Asia and even Northeast Asia. But the long story short is, in my opinion, it looks to me like Thailand's about the most open, easy access place you can get to, not only in Southeast Asia, but my understanding, most of Asia in general.